Hi everybody, I'm Craig and I'm the lead developer for the Zikula Core project. Today I want to show you how to do a quick installation of the core using the web interface. You can see that I'm on the GitHub Zikula Core website. I'm going to click here on releases. So you see that our most recent release is Zikula Core-2.0.1. When you watch this video, our most recent release may be newer than that. Always download the newest version. Just going to scroll down here and I want to download the tar file. So I'm going to download that. It will only take a minute. Now that it's downloaded, I need to put that file into my web sites folder. Now for you, this may mean FTPing that file to your web server. I am personally running MAMP on my local installation, and that means putting this file into the htdocs folder. I have a symlink to that here on my desktop. I'm just going to drag that there, and you can see that it's now here. I'm going to unarchive that file. And you can see that it defaulted to just simply 2.0 folder name. I'm going to change that to tutorial. You can put it whatever you like. Now this is inside my htdocs folder with a tutorial subdirectory. We'll need to know that later. Now, in order to proceed, we need a database. So we're going to go to my phpMyAdmin and we're going to create a new database. I'm going to call it tutorial. And for collation, it's very important that we select UTF-8 General CI and then click Create. Now we have a web database. We can begin the installation. So on your site, you would type your website. Because I'm doing this at a local host, I'm just going to type localhost. And then I need that subdirectory, tutorial. Now this will take a minute to load because it's creating cache files. If you don't want to install it in a subdirectory, you can simply drag all of those files into your main web directory. In fact, that's probably the better way to run it. After a bit here, we have our first install screen, and you can see we have a nice big green button with an install Zikula version 2.0.1. Click that, and we begin to install. Now you may have noticed that it skipped select language and checked requirements stages because these were unnecessary in this particular installation. We have MySQL database type, InnoDB storage engine. Our database is stored also at localhost, and we're going to type our database username and password, and then the database name, which we just created, which was tutorial. This information will be validated and tested before it proceeds to the next step. Now we're going to create the administrator account that will log into our website. You can choose any name you like. I'm going to leave mine as admin. I'm going to create a password that I can remember, and then I'm going to add in an email address. You would enter your own email address here. And now we begin to install the product. Simply click the green button. This will roll through all the various things that need to happen and will take a moment. Now that it's complete, we can click the Finish button. Now you can see that our website is active. We've been logged in and proceeded directly to the admin interface. To see the front end of the site, you can simply click up here on either Home or the site name. This is the front end. Of course, site name can be configured. You can see that we have a working website. We can click on many different areas. This is the admin personal page, the account page, which allows us access to things. We can click on the site search. And this hamburger icon here opens up a side panel with access to various administrative areas of the site. For example, you could click on Blocks module and then go to the settings directly. Well, that's a quick look at how to install Zikula using the web interface. Be sure to check out our other videos that are available, including the one on how to install using the command line. I hope that you've enjoyed this today. Please give Zikula a try. I think you'll find it very useful. Thank you.